Take your pen, take your book, go down your school uniform. Are you ready? Kumira kumami kaida, kasimene jimba bijawe. Are you ready? Kasimire kunangawo, animira umatike bambe, kumira nedije benazu, oliwa kabinyo. Kasimire ne MC Tumire ne kubatisha, matumire mwenda Batman, that is true. Idiot, that is true. If you want Batman like me, you go back to school. I'm a dinner master, I'm in wow. Ababa chila, zebe chila. Beba tia, and the picture. I don't know what you want to get that come on. I defeat my enemies physically, I defeat my enemies lyrically, I defeat them musically, financially, and politically. Abamatira muri bakari, abamatira naye wakari. Tumina mikwano jabe, abamatira muziki kabe, bali bakari. Can't you win mikwano jabe? Crazy Ramsey. All right. Cuando atutumire kubos kokatala, wale wakari nyongo chote na koswala, etu wakari ya poli fundi chitakasa. Alamu tumeta mwurize, ate boyamanye, natamanye, tamanye, amira yeba mtukuse, atamanye baba manye, titamanye, amira mwezi mwikirize, atamanye maratamanye. General Megadi, I see you. Where's General Megadi? Where's General Megadi? Come here, man. Whoa. Give me my microphone. Give me my microphone. you, my brother, my friend, from long time. Yeah, man. Respect in all aspects. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, it's an absolute honor for me to be able to perform to you, to be able to deliver my love personally and physically after 10 long, painful years. It's about love, it's about brotherhood, it's about moving forward, it's about reconstruction, it's about growth, it's about coming together every day, healing the wounds, bridging the gap, every day of the week, every month of the year, every year of our lives. It's an honor. I want to apologize for coming late on stage, but I think I owe you an explanation, ladies and gentlemen. The biggest part of my band arrived just about 2 hours ago. It has been the Almighty God that has made this show possible, but we are very glad to be here. I want to say my thanks to all the friends and families that made it possible, to the British High Commission, been working under pressure, but we are here today. I want to beg for your indulgence. This is going to be one long concert, but it will be worth your time. Please don't get tired, because I'm not going to get tired. There's nobody to go back home to, because I came with my beautiful bride. I have a good friend. In the house, I can see Mr. Kaira, I can see Ricky Singh, the old manager of the great Fela Kuti. I can see Christopher Sharp, the man who conceived our film. I can see his beautiful family. I can see so many of you, ladies and gentlemen. They say to mention is to omit, and to omit is to offend. I beg that I don't offend you if I don't mention you, because everybody I see is like family. I will give them not be one with a bucket of wine. Clear. Mami Buddha, again, I know I will have you come with me. Vamos a pedir a mamá no danga ye pude kalekezi. Ya nyamya bolicha ulinde kona nyamya na bolicha tamani. Yamani kundi wa majiwa yamani na kundi we ya kwangu. Bakunga ngewa wambe kwanga noli wamuli kukalilio. Ami kundi ya salomanye dimewe jakatebo wa malayo. Bakole vyo kwe vyo lotako. Nekumasi wapo yerako. Olusi watambuli. Katimanya saizio, ekatoyamba saizio. Lana ni muliwa ziwamila. Yeso. Katimanya saizio, ekatoyamba saizio. Emakoka moja chamila, walija saizio. Ojenega mana bema potenga kwetona mana lona bikola. Ojenega zimba muketonga na yena kilo jitamkokona. Watongo na kwenyo, kazawe ye kolera. Avanzava nell'endo anche mi botti. Non poteva con a tempi a isabi puru kugamati. Siringava vaso mambo nella chiesa qua di sendi. E vinto io tenda, quala la vea tu vea volito, quala vanga via paio. Quindi ho statuario, la di magna saizio. Capuenza Questa è saizio, e Katayambala saizio. Tumakoka agamba chika kwenda, agamba chika iwange, agamba chika, agamba chika, agamba chika. Okay, kwanza, kiss for you. Wala sabira wako abane kubibie na wala kamande. Wachi wakuwache weza kwechi moho jina makunde. Zawanya kana mamani nene mijaga za mimani ne. Tulika sila bakume kate mangako. Katidene kanina maraba tete mangako. Mana kwe katimanya Inga kwe yambala Iwako kakwe ya chamira Saizio Inga kwe yambala People power. Our power. You're stupid, Nubian. You see, my mother used to warn me about such friends. They always get me in trouble because they make me think that I can handle anything. They're not bad friends anymore. All right. I want to salute the presence of my brother Paul. He edited our film. I want to salute the presence of Honorable Paul Williams. I want to salute the member of parliament, of this parliament, who stood for Ugandans, who advocated for me when I was in prison. Amazing time. Amazing time. Singa walite bantunde kandi sobonyeza bamisota jendena ebange basoma endala abasinga kwabo banyamba singa walite banchaye kandi sobonyeza bamisota jendena wewe koto ya chawa nawe chimanya ya swaza singa walite banswaza kandi sobonyeza Chimanya ya soda, naenda oyo yanyamba. Singa zaidi ya soda, sani sobode kuna ani anandao. Awanani wakata. Nitamo kuwalaba, kaela niko bitosoda kumomekea. Nitamo kuwalaba. Aliko bitosobola kumutegera nekanyiritegera katindebitepe yofuka n'opulezidenti emukakunaomwe bamanyanyisa alina luzira nga nekirokoti kyamwe bakinyanyisa kirina kigo nekandiomwe bamanyanyisa alina kitalya nga bafuutu soja bange ebakesekusiwalire It was 9th of October 1962 when our nation was born. Beautiful nation, naturally endowed with everything we need. The unity in capacity, the Baganda, the Nubians, the Banyankore, the Northerners, Westerners, Easterners, they are showing all of them coming together to build a nation that will make life better for the next generation. You and I, we are that generation that they were looking for. We are the grandchildren of the independence generation, the grandchildren of the Mandela generation, the grandchildren of the Okoto generation. We are the grandchildren of the Benchiwanuka generation. We are the grandparents of the future generation. So we must, within ourselves, find solutions. We must wake up. We must get serious. We must rise to the occasion. Our leaders don't care about the next generation. All they care about the next generation. So it's our time now. It's our responsibility now. It's our duty now. It's our calling now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow. Now. We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change our mark. For we want to do it, we do it, we do it now.
Tumenkemu. Temu yogele, temu ndope. Tumenkemu. Sing no beyond.
Presidency je alogalo geze mokama yapa. Undu yazange wena je mirembe jange.
Tumenkemu.
Presidency je alogalo geze mokama yapa. Undu yazange wena je mirembe jange.
You can empire match in a color wabidandi ngabavek. Matyansi butam. Tumenkemu. Governor S. This one a freestyle for you. Listen, 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 listen. Look at where you can empire Matyansi Negono Mabidandi Ngabaveko. Matyansi Butampire no Buabwe. Ubadi Mumubaka Mabeka. Atekolo Mabidandi. Ye Uwanga Bukweka Momotoka. Lababo Batuke Kamocha Nebatanga Yomsada Oli. Awone Wabaluka Olutalo Era Yamkasi Yadukaya. Atekolo Mabidandi. atakolo babidandi ye bakanabe ne bamukwatayo omutu abo bamulagalo ne bamuyisa bubi era oluusi naye akolima ate obubwabwe buli bwe nagambe bwe batuukayo ku kibanda nabo ne buzingira emukira mu magulu gaabo nga bosi bamaze omulabisa kati mbubwadda kulya kati mbubwadda kabonera nakimanya bulira ti bwadda kabonera nakimanya gye balimbira ensi kati boyigendayo babuulire nti batman ate yabambye obagambye ebyobwerere ebyakoma obagambe ebyekiyayi ebyakoma bagambe ebyamasuuti byakoma kati tuli bagambe ebyamasuuti byakoma kati tuli mu bya struggle bagambe ebyebitiibwa byakoma kati tuli mu revolution gezeyo mubanda wa kabakowa
Fire! Fire! Fire!